Welcome back to the place where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, technology, and automotive innovations. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting reviews, tips, and bike breakdowns. Now, let's rev up and dive into today's video. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated motorcycles to come out of Yamaha's legendary engineering vault, the 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700cc V4. This isn't just any bike, it's a machine that combines raw power, stunning looks, and cutting-edge technology. Yamaha has long been known for creating motorcycles that blend performance with style, and the VMAX 1700cc V4 is no exception. This bike is aimed at riders who demand more from their motorcycles, whether it's for daily riding, weekend cruises, or pure high-performance thrills. So let's break down what makes this bike so special, and why it's the talk of the motorcycle world. First, let's talk about its engine. The heart of the VMAX 1700cc V4 is its massive 1700cc engine that roars with immense power. If you've been following Yamaha's performance models, you know that they don't hold back when it comes to performance. This V4 engine is one of the most powerful engines in its category, delivering unmatched acceleration, smooth power delivery, and a truly thrilling ride. The VMAX's engine features advanced technology that maximizes the power output while keeping efficiency in check. At its core, this 1700cc engine is engineered to provide high torque at low RPMs, allowing you to feel that instant burst of power the moment you twist the throttle. This is a bike that's all about raw, visceral performance. But let's not forget about the VMAX's four-cylinder configuration. The V4 engine is special for several reasons. It strikes a perfect balance between the smoothness of a four-cylinder engine and the torque of a V-twin. Yamaha's engineers have optimized the engine's internals to deliver exceptional performance at all ranges of the power band, and this means that whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking twisty back roads, the VMAX provides a dynamic and exhilarating experience. Moving on to the chassis, Yamaha has always prided itself on building bikes that handle like a dream. The 2026 VMAX 1700cc V4 continues this tradition with an all-new chassis design that enhances stability and agility. One of the standout features of this bike is its aluminum frame. The lightweight yet rigid nature of the frame allows the VMAX to offer precise handling while remaining solid enough to keep you planted during aggressive maneuvers. The bike feels incredibly responsive, giving riders a sense of control that is both comforting and empowering. Now, let's talk about the suspension system. The VMAX is equipped with fully adjustable suspension components that allow riders to fine-tune their ride to match their preferences and riding conditions. The front features a robust inverted fork, which not only improves the bike's overall stability, but also provides excellent feedback, helping you feel more connected to the road. At the rear, a fully adjustable monoshock ensures that the bike's rear end stays planted during hard acceleration or quick turns. When it comes to braking, Yamaha has fitted the VMAX 1700cc V4 with top-tier braking components. The front of the bike is equipped with dual large-diameter disc brakes paired with advanced radial calipers that provide phenomenal stopping power, no matter how fast you're going. The rear brake complements the front system perfectly, giving you the ability to stop on a dime with confidence and ease. The bike's braking performance, combined with its excellent handling characteristics, makes it a joy to ride in both tight urban traffic and wide-open highways. Let's talk about comfort. While the VMAX is designed to be a high-performance machine, Yamaha has also ensured that it doesn't sacrifice comfort. The seat is plush and offers decent comfort for both short and long rides, while the rider ergonomics have been carefully designed to reduce fatigue. Whether you're going for a long weekend ride or just out for a quick spin, you'll appreciate the comfortable riding position that Yamaha has created with the VMAX 1700cc V4. Of course, every rider's body is different, so adjustments like handlebar positioning or footpeg placement can be made to further enhance the ride. Next, let's take a look at the bike's design. When you first lay eyes on the VMAX, you'll immediately be struck by its muscular stance and aggressive look. The VMAX 1700cc V4 has an unmistakable presence, with bold lines and a design that screams performance. The sleek aerodynamic bodywork not only looks great, but serves a functional purpose, enhancing the bike's stability at high speeds and reducing drag. The fuel tank is sculpted to flow seamlessly into the rider's seat, adding to the bike's cohesive and aggressive design language. Yamaha has also included LED lighting elements that add a futuristic touch to the bike's overall aesthetic. For 2026, the VMAX is offered in a variety of color options, but one of the standout choices is the matte black, which gives the bike a stealthy, sinister vibe. Whether you're looking for a bike that blends in or one that demands attention, the VMAX has you covered with its range of stylish paint schemes. The bike's dashboard and technology are also state-of-the-art. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX features a digital display that provides all the necessary information in a clear, easy-to-read format. From tachometers to speedometers, fuel levels, and trip information, everything you need is right there at a glance. One of the most exciting features, however, is the bike's connectivity options. The VMAX 1700cc V4 is equipped with Bluetooth integration, allowing you to connect your smartphone to the bike system. This means you can access turn-by-turn navigation, listen to your favorite music, or receive incoming call notifications without having to take your hands off the handlebars. This tech integration is a game-changer for those who want to stay connected while still experiencing the thrill of the ride. When it comes to safety, the VMAX doesn't skimp. Yamaha has equipped the bike with advanced safety features, including a traction control system, a quick shifter, and a ride-by-wire throttle that gives riders precise control over the bike's power delivery. The traction control system helps prevent wheel slip during aggressive acceleration, ensuring that the bike stays planted on the road in all conditions. The quick shifter allows for seamless gear changes, whether you're riding at slow speeds or pushing the bike to its limits on the track. These features enhance the overall riding experience and give riders more confidence, especially when navigating challenging terrain or tricky weather conditions. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2026 VMAX 1700cc V4 is an absolute powerhouse. With its 1700cc engine pushing out well over 200 horsepower, this bike delivers an adrenaline rush like no other. The raw acceleration is mind-blowing, and the bike feels incredibly fast, even when you're just cruising at normal speeds. At higher RPMs, the VMAX pulls like a freight train, providing an exhilarating sense of speed that's perfect for riders who crave pure power. Yamaha has engineered the VMAX to offer linear throttle response, so you can control the power at your fingertips. Whether you're looking for a leisurely ride or full throttle action, the VMAX delivers it all with ease. On the road, the VMAX feels stable and secure, even when you're pushing it hard through corners or accelerating on straightaways. Thanks to its advanced suspension system, the bike handles well at high speeds and maintains its composure when you need it most. It's easy to see why the VMAX is a favorite among performance enthusiasts who want a bike that excels both on the street and on the track. So, who is the 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700cc V4 for? This bike is built for the rider who wants it all: power, precision, style, and technology. It's perfect for experienced riders who appreciate high-performance machines, but it also offers enough refinement and comfort to appeal to those who want a daily ride with an edge. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking for something that can take on any challenge or a passionate enthusiast who wants a bike that delivers thrills every time you twist the throttle, the VMAX is the ultimate machine. Before we wrap up, let's go over some key specifications of the 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700cc V4. Engine: 1700cc V4 liquid cool. Power output: over 200 horsepower. Torque: exceptionally high torque at low RPM. Chassis: aluminum frame, designed for agility and stability. Suspension: fully adjustable front and rear. Brakes: dual front discs, advanced radial calipers. Technology: Bluetooth connectivity, digital display, traction control, quick shifter. Safety features: traction control system, ride-by-wire throttle. Price: approximate starting price of $20,000. And there you have it, everything you need to know about the 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700cc V4. This bike is a true masterpiece of engineering and design, and it's bound to turn heads wherever it goes. Whether you're looking for a bike that offers exhilarating performance or a machine that provides cutting-edge technology and comfort, the VMAX has it all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700cc V4, be sure to give us a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about this beast of a bike? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all our latest videos. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time.